Many mums and their babies experience feeding issues, including latching problems and low supply. Haakaa's silicone feeding tube set helps you to overcome some of these common issues by delivering a constant and controllable flow of milk to baby at your breast through a thin silicone tube. To assemble, fill the bottle with supplemented milk, then push the thick tube through the nipple until the end is submerged. Tape the other end of the thin tube to your breast. Make sure the opening is around 1 to 2 centimeters past your nipple. Then help baby to latch on while gently placing the thin tube into their mouth. Squeeze the body of your Gen 3 Silicone Baby Bottle to start and control the flow of milk. Alternatively, start the flow of milk by placing the bottle in a higher position than your nipple and let gravity do the work. You can also use the flow controller to adjust the flow speed to suit the needs of your little one.